So we just spent like $22 on this gotcha set so that we could try to get the full set of these. I'm pretty sure I know what most of them are. So here they are. We have the full set, right?
And I got mine.
And we also got a different little gotcha. I think it's this one down here. It's a little medicine cabinet. I think it's also by STASTO. Let me just double check.
Come here, vlog.
Come here, vlog. So it's this little otter one, and then it looks like a little medicine
Can I
container.
open mine first?
Yes, so you can open yours first.
I'm gonna do a magic trick with this.
She's gonna open it without her hands. Oh yeah, so just open it on thighs. Okay. Yay! Now she opens
Let's
that
see
one.
what this is. Yay, my favorite one.
Yeah.
Well, this is.
Okay, so while we're putting those together, these are by STASTO. They do a lot of the gotchas. Should I open it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. And they're, I think this is, you're welcome, baby. This is hot mustard, which is the thing that's sold next to wasabi. And you can see, look at how cute. Okay, let me just show them. So there's this in the back, and then you can see the front.
I want to do.
And then it connects.
Looks like. Oh, and here's what the little chick looks like. Now we're gonna attach it. However it attaches.
I don't read Japanese very well, but
I can attach it for you.
oh, okay, it's attached. You want to see this one? Because this one, I know this one has the word zong, which is the beginning of China, like Zhongguo, Zhongwen, and it's got a little panda on it, which is hilarious.
This one is a little chicky.
Oh,
And it has a roll, so that's why the dollops are coming out.
yeah. This is a little cow, and it's a milk toothpaste. Are you gonna attach it for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, all of these are toothpaste.
Well, no, they're not all toothpaste. I think only one of them is toothpaste, actually. But they're all little tubes. And this is the one that killed us, the one that we had to keep going back for money for. This is toothpaste. That's a little seal.
Oh, and welcome to A for Abby vlog.
Yes.
And V for vlog. V for vlog. And M for mom.
Some of these are real top heavy.
Oh, I can do it.
Okay. So this is
I was trying to see if it was actually secure.
Oh, okay, well, don't force it, honey. There's a special spot that it fits. These are so cute. All right, so this one's wasabi, which I'm thrilled about.
This one's actually toothpaste.
Is it toothpaste?
That says T. Oh, it's a ooh.
Okay, so this is the wasabi one. They're all in different shapes. Okay, let me make sure. That one's right.
But I didn't want it to go sideways or else it will look weird.
It is, but it's a sideways one.
And now we're gonna do the grand finale. Now we're gonna
Wait,
do.
hold on. Can I just make them all stand for a second? Okay, so let me do this because it's not gonna stand by itself.
I don't know if I'm standing.
Well, here, I'm gonna use these cups as a...
My duck is not standing, so I have to do
Alright, so this is the whole set of them. Pretty sure they're displayed
Mom,
correct.
can I do the grand finale now?
Yes.
Now we're gonna do the grand finale. First, the toothpaste. Mom, pretend you're squeezing toothpaste. Yeah, it's an animal.
Ah, it's a seal!
Now
Oh no, a chick came out.
Yeah, panda came out. Ah! Ah! Whatever this
Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good one.